Assalamualaikum to my fellow classmates and my lecturer, Miss Aida. So today, I will be talking about the cloud computing. So I will be explaining about what is cloud computing, the benefits of cloud computing, the risks of cloud computing, and also the types of cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is on-demand access to computing resources, application servers, physical and virtual servers, data storage, developed tools, networking abilities, and more hosted at a remote data center managed by a cloud services provider or CSP over the internet. The CSP makes these tools available for a monthly subscription fee or charges a usage fee. The phrase cloud computing also refers to the technology that enables cloud computing to function. This comprises some type of virtualized IT infrastructure services, operating system software, networking, and other infrastructure that has been abstracted using special software to allow it to be pulled and divided across physical hardware boundaries. A single hardware server, for example, can be partitioned into numerous virtual services. Cloud providers may make better use of their data center resources thanks to virtualization. Not surprisingly, many organizations have adopted the cloud delivery model for their on-premises infrastructure in order to maximize utilization and cost savings compared to traditional IT infrastructure while providing the same self-service and agility to their end users. Do you know that we most probably use some type of cloud computing every single day? If you use a computer or mobile devices at home or at work, whether it's a cloud computing application like Google Gmail or Salesforce, streaming video like Netflix, or cloud file storage like Dropbox. So do you know there are various types of cloud computing? And firstly is the public cloud. So what is public cloud? The public cloud is a type of cloud computing where a cloud service provider makes computing resources available to users via the public internet, ranging from SaaS applications to individual virtual machines, VMS, bare metal computing hardware, and complete enterprise-grade infrastructures and development platforms. These materials may be available for free, or they may be marketed using subscription based on pay-per-usage pricing methods. So next is private cloud. A private cloud is a cloud environment in which all cloud infrastructure and computing resources are devoted to and available to a single customer. Many of the benefits of cloud computing, such as elasticity, scalability, and ease of service delivery, are combined with the access control, security, and resource customization of on-premises infrastructure in the private cloud. Third is hybrid cloud. The term hybrid cloud refers to a combination of public and private cloud infrastructures. A hybrid cloud and ideally links an organization's private cloud services and public clouds into a unified, flexible architecture for executing applications and workloads. fourth is multi-cloud and hybrid multi-cloud. The use of two or more clouds from two or more separate cloud providers is referred as multi-cloud. Creating a multi-cloud setup can be as simple as using one vendor's email, SaaS, and others' picture editing, SES. Moving on to the benefits of cloud computing. Do you know that cloud computing have many benefits? And one of them is cloud computing is lower in cost. So cloud computing is lower in IT costs because cloud computing allows you to offload some or all the costs and work associated with purchasing, installing, configuring, and administrating your own on-premises equipment. Cloud computing also can improve agility and time to value. Instead of waiting weeks or months for IT to reply to requests, acquire and set up supporting hardware, and install software, your organization can start using enterprise apps in minutes using cloud. You can also enable users such as developers and data scientists to help themselves to software and support infrastructure via the cloud. Moreover, cloud computing scales more easily and cost effectively. The cloud enables elasticity rather than acquiring excess capacity that sits idle during slow periods. You may scale capacity up and down in response to traffic spikes and dips. You can also use your cloud provider's worldwide network to bring your applications closer to users all around the world. Cloud computing has better collaboration. Cloud storage allows you to make data available from anywhere at any time. People can access data from anywhere in the group from any device if they have an internet connection rather than being confined to a certain location or device. Cloud computing can prevent data loss. So backup and disaster recovery services are provided by the cloud providers. Storing data in cloud rather than locally can aid in the prevention of data loss in the event of an emergency, such as hardware failure, malicious threats, or even simple user's error. Yes, cloud computing provides various advantages, but there are also risks in cloud computing. And the risk in cloud computing is data loss. Data loss is one of the most common cloud computing issues. It is often referred to as data leakage. Data loss occurs when data is destroyed, corrupted, or rendered unreadable by a user, software, or application. In a cloud computing context, data loss occurs when our sensitive data is in the hands of someone else. One or more data elements cannot be used by the data owner, a hard disk fails, and software is not updated. The next cloud computing risk is account hijacking. Account hijacking is a major problem in cloud computing because it is the process by which hackers steal an individual user's or organization's cloud account, such as bank account, email account, and social media account. The hackers utilize the stolen account to conduct illegal actions. Accidental data exposure. Organizations must protect data privacy and confidentiality to ensure compliance with various regulations, including GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. Data protection regulations impose strict penalties for failing to secure data. Organizations also need to protect their own data to maintain a competitive advantage. Placing data in the cloud offers great benefits but creates major security challenges for organizations. Unfortunately, many organizations migrate to the cloud without prior knowledge as to how to ensure they are using it securely, putting sensitive data at risk of exposure. And the last cloud computing risk is cloud misconfigurations. Threat actors can use system and network misconfigurations as entry points to migrate lateral across the network and get access to confidential resources. Misconfigurations might occur as a result of missed system areas or incorrect security settings. Despite the benefits and risks of cloud computing, we cannot dispute that this is the fastest expanding segment of network-based computing. It benefits clients of all sizes, simple consumers, developers, corporations, and all forms of organizations. Therefore, this technology will be around for a long time. Hence, that is all for me. Thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum.